Hello everyone. As the Safe Editor, I'd like to start today meeting by giving a quick update about our magazine project. Thank you for all your hard work and the dedication so far. In this meeting, we'll review our progress, discuss each team, task, and talk about we still need to improve so we can stay on track with our timeline. Next slide. Let me introduce my group. Our group. The first one is myself, Marcelo Ainingrum, as the chief editor, Alifasha Selby as the lay author, Ariel Sekti as photographer, Dwi Okta as the lay author, Priska as the design, Lubna Hara as the writer, Muhammad Surya as the writer, Nadia Punya as the design, Naila Zawa as the editor, Sania Ismiato as the photographer, Satrio Fajar as the writer, Selva as the editor, and Shiva as the writer. Now, I would like to say my progress. As the chief editor, I have been responsible for supervising the overall progress of the team. My role includes monitoring every stage of the project, ensuring that each task is completed on time, and maintaining good communication among all members. I also help my teammates whenever they face difficulties, whether it's about writing, editing, or managing deadline. Throughout the process, I have carefully calculated each step to make sure everything runs according to timeline. I created this way. The team can work efficiently and produce the best result together. So the struggle is I have like difficult of the meeting timeline, and I would like update on time, and that's it. Okay, next slide. Now let's move on the writer team. Please share your progress so far. How the writing process going?
Writer progress is we have conducted research on the magazine topic before writing them into paragraphs or point, and we also divide the topics weekly for each writer.
And also we have written our topics around 22 topics in total according to the task division for each writer, and then we submitted them to the editor for editing.
The problems are we face difficulties in finding reference because we need to decide whether to collect data directly or only through social media. It was hard to arrange interview time with source due to busy class schedule and different free times which caused delays in writing.
And for the solution, we made a fixed interview schedule, for example, through chat, to make it more flexible and easier for both sides. For research, we combine two methods, basic research from social media or internet. Then supported it will Google Forms, shared, shared to each study program for faster data collection. Next progress.
Okay, I'm Selva as a editor. So a total of 9 articles have been edited. My progress on editing 4 of them are campus introduction, cooking times, favorite foods from Kanbar and Kanlam, and student organization inauguration. I always ensure the fact and data are correct. Ongoing works include Sondah and Towards Dark. I will wait for the writer's progress.
Okay, as the one of the editors so far, I have edited 6 articles for our March-April magazine edition. The article written by Haura include Crowded Elevator, Rumah Untuk Ellie, Polymedia Student Works, which now features Ahmad, Viola, Naura, Maesa, Kila, Kalis, Gendis, Amelia, and Akram. Meanwhile, the article written by Surya are student tips, 8 homecoming news, and the Gradia Sehat. My next plan is to edit article by Haura titled Sondah and Menuju Senja, which is still in progress. So yeah, next slide.
As designer, we are have a progress. Our progress as designer in the publishing university includes designing the front and back covers of the magazine, creating the magazine logo, and selecting the font for the title. We also collaborate with the layout team to organize the page composition. Currently, the design team in determining the color scheme for each page and selecting design elements and reference related to it. Alfitri and Kartini Day to make a magazine look more visual apps.
Challenges. We faced several difficulties during the design process, such as coming up with creative ideas, choosing suitable color combination, and selecting the right design solution. To overcome these challenges, my partner uses more information and reference from various social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram to help us develop better and more creative design ideas. Next.
As layouter, the layout section has just started creating the page layout after finishing the concept planning stage. We have received text from the editorial team and photos from the photography team, which will be combined during the page arrangement process. Soon, we will also discuss with the design team to finalize the layout, including text placement, image, and visual element to ensure everything looks harmonious and appealing.
We are currently arranging the initial page design while adjusting the main color, font, and visual style. That's with the magazine team. Previously, we went for the editorial and content team, which are now halfway through their work, so the layout process can now begin. In addition, we content gathering design references from outer magazine to get more inspiration and maintain a consistent overall look. Next.
As photographer, this week besides searching for photo for the magazine, the photographer team is also looking for inspiration for group photo style and engagement to make the result more attractive and consistent.
Challenge we face include difficulty in schedule due to the midterm exam period, as well as trouble finding the right occasion for the photo shoot. Another challenge was adjust the photo style and arrangement so that every member can be clear visible in the frame.
Solution after have a discussion, we decided to hold the group photo shoot this Thursday in the classroom. We already have several options for poster and engagement. If it turns out that all 30 of us cannot fit into one frame, we plan to take photo by division in size.
For the concept The first and fourth photo style are more suitable if we take them in one frame, so every can be seen together with a more unveiled composition that feels chess. Quest. Meanwhile, the second and third photo style are more suitable for photos where division. This way, each division can have a distinct photo style will still being in line with the main concept. So the final result still looks uniform and aesthetic.
Conclusion. Our overall progress is around 45%, which includes the work of all writers, designers, photographers, editors, and layout artists. All of the progress has been achieved together as a team. Each group is doing their tasks well and following the timelines we have set. One of our main struggle is keeping everything perfectly on schedule. Since some of us also have other tasks and responsibilities to handle. However, we've managed to overcome this challenge by communicating, dividing, and workload properly, and supporting each other to stay on track.
Okay, because Marcella left in mid, I'm as a closing. That's all for today meeting. Thank you everyone for your effort and teamwork. Even though we still have some challenge, I believe we can finish everything on time if we keep supporting each other. Let's stay consistent and keep up the great work. Thank you.